Ever get a feeling that space is just too big to wrap your head around? That's exactly what makes it so thrilling. Today, on Oddly Interesting, we're taking you through some space facts that'll leave you starstruck. And these aren't your run-of-the-mill trivia tidbits. Buckle up, because the cosmos is about to blow your mind. Let's begin with a glittering gem in the sky, literally. There's a white dwarf star nicknamed Lucy, official name BPM 37093. That's essentially a 10 billion trillion carat diamond floating out in space. It formed when the star's carbon core crystallized under immense pressure. Discovered with data from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, Lucy is roughly 50 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. Talk about bling on a cosmic scale. Next stop, HD 189733b, an exoplanet located about 64 light-years from us. While it might sound like a random license plate number, this place is more like an interstellar horror story. It's a hot, Jupiter-like planet where winds can blow at speeds up to 5,400 miles per hour, over 8,700 kilometers per hour. And it rains molten glass, sideways. Yes, sideways. According to NASA's Hubble observations, the planet's atmosphere is packed with silicate particles. With scorching temperatures above 1,700 degrees Celsius, 3,092 degrees Fahrenheit, those particles can melt into glass droplets that whip around in supersonic gales. Meanwhile, in our own neighborhood, Neptune takes the crown for the windiest planet in the solar system. Data from Voyager 2 and later telescopic studies show winds can rage at speeds over 1,200 miles per hour or 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's much faster than Earth's most intense hurricanes. Picture an unending, high-speed storm you'd never want to fly a kite in. Scientists believe Neptune's frigid temperatures, around -214 degrees Celsius, might reduce the friction in the planet's atmosphere, allowing winds to reach breakneck speeds. Have you ever heard the rumor that it rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn? This one has actual scientific backing. Research from scientists at the University of Wisconsin-Madison shows that when lightning storms zap methane in the planet's atmosphere, the carbon rearranges into soot, which under extreme pressure forms diamonds. These diamond chunks eventually melt in the planet's hot core. But before that happens, you could say there's a cosmic jewel storm in the clouds. Now let's talk about a star system that's practically a cosmic daredevil, VFTS 352 in the Large Magellanic Cloud. Astronomers using the European Southern Observatory call it the hottest and most massive touching star system. These two stars orbit so closely that their surfaces actually connect, creating a constant exchange of stellar material. They spin at breakneck speeds, possibly on the verge of merging into one super-hot star or collapsing into a binary black hole. It's a real will they, or won't they situation on a cosmic scale. Speaking of black holes, let's bust a common misconception. Black holes aren't exactly vacuum cleaners sucking up everything in sight. If our sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, hypothetically, Earth would keep orbiting just fine. Well, aside from losing sunlight and life as we know it. The real nightmare begins if you venture too close. The tidal forces near the event horizon stretch matter into spaghetti-like strands, a process scientists affectionately call spaghettification. If you needed another reason to steer clear of black holes, there it is. On a brighter note, let's zoom in on a star nursery, the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula. The iconic Hubble images show towering columns of gas and dust where new stars form. But here's the catch. Data from the Spitzer Space Telescope suggest a supernova shockwave may have already destroyed parts of the pillars about 6,000 years ago. We just won't see that destruction yet due to the nebula's distance, about 6,500 to 7,000 light-years away. Talk about a cosmic time delay spoiler alert. Finally, let's check in on our pioneering spacecraft, Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, it became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012, confirmed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Right now, it's over 150 astronomical units from the Sun. That's more than 150 times the distance between Earth and our star, and it's still sending data back. It's carrying the Golden Record too, a time capsule of Earth's music, sounds and images. If any extraterrestrial life stumbles upon Voyager 1, they'll get a curated snapshot of our planet from the late 1970s. That's our quick tour of jaw-dropping celestial gems, diamond showers, and star system daredevils. Just a tiny glimpse into how weird and wonderful our universe can be. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more oddly interesting dispatches from space. Got a favorite mind-blowing space fact we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, remember, the universe is vast, weird, and full of surprises. So stay curious and keep looking up.